Today is our Emergency Medicine Day. It is for our health and medical science and Pulse Studio students. And the goal for today was to bring some community partners in to talk to the students about different areas in healthcare that they might not know about or have heard a little in class, but expanding upon that. So we started out in the auditorium to listen to a speaker. He is a paramedic, EMT, and RN to talk to the students about what he did, the pathway he took to get all of the different titles that he has and the different careers that he was able to have based on each of those titles.
I got to see how different healthcare programs worked in the community and how they helped the community.
And then we split into breakout rooms where we had different partners do different stations. We had a phlebotomy station where the students are learning about IVs and how to draw blood or how to set up an IV to give medications or fluids. We have a toxicology and Narcan station where the students are learning about opioids, how they affect the body, and then how we can reverse it or help to suppress those effects and using Narcan. And then we have an imaging station where we have the radiology program from UVA coming and teaching the students about some of the different imaging that they can do to help with diagnostics, specifically X-rays, MRIs, CTs, just telling the kids what they are and how they differentiate from each other.
Learning radiology and like the different scans, how they do it, how they're really needed and stuff, I think that was kind of interesting because I wasn't really interested in radiology, but like learning about it is pretty cool.
The Narcan lesson, it was mostly about airway. So it was very cool. It was like we were learning about veins at one point and then our airway and then the last section, radiology. So we got to see so many cool varieties.
Today really taught me a lot of just more in-depth view of how other things work with other parts of the medical industry.
Going into this EMT program, now I know I want to do medicine because of this program.